Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, reinforcement cadet, third class Conado, reciting the set of knowledge, ma'am. College of Criminal Justice Education, Department of Criminology, Gilman City, Negros Orientals, 6214, Philippines. Vision, mission, goals, and corporate values of Negros Oriental State University. Mission, vision, a globally recognized state university. Mission, Negros Oriental State University delivers global excellence through advanced instruction, impactful research, and sustainable extension with strategic partnership and modern infrastructure, shaping effective leaders to serve the Philippine society and the world. Goals: Negros Oriental State University will A. Achieve global recognition by program excellence. S. Strengthen research to impactful innovation. P. Promote enhanced communication services. I. Integrate partnership and international relations. R. Revitalize infrastructure with cooperational system. E. Enrich students' life and student opportunities. Corporate values. Core values represent of what we believe in giving character to our university operations. These are S. Spirituality. H. Honesty. I. Innovation. N. Nurturance. E. Excellence. Quality policy. Negros Oriental State University commits itself to delivering quality instruction, research, extension, and production. We ensure compliance with all statutory and regulatory requirements and continuously work to improve our management system to meet our quality objectives. Criminology education, vision, mission, and objectives. Vision. The College of Criminal Justice Education is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nation in addressing the vital problems of crime control and in meeting the demands for global competitiveness. Mission. The College of Criminal Justice Education program commits itself in providing the community with professionally competent and morally upright graduates who can deliver efficient and effective service in the field of criminology. Objectives. In pursuance of the above stated mission, the Department of Criminology integrates and sequences courses of study which are well planned. These courses of study utilizes number one. This study utilizes didactic instruction. This study utilizes didactic instruction, demonstration, laboratory practices, and on-the-job training. So, the following are the specific objectives of the department. Number one, it seeks to provide vast opportunities in instruction and guided experience whereby the students learn and acquire the skills essential to the practice of criminology. Number two, it provides the students with a broad cultural background and understanding the constitutional guarantees and due process requirements of law, insofar as they affect the total administration of justice. Number three, it fosters higher concept of citizenry, accountability, and leadership, and understanding of one's moral and legal responsibilities to his fellow men, his community, and his country. Number four, it inspires and instills in the students the value of service to humanity. Number 5. It encourages research and inquiry in the field of criminology and criminal justice. Criminology as a special course. A criminologist is any person who is a graduate with a degree of criminology, uh, who has passed the examination for criminologists and is registered as such by the Board of Examiners of the Professional Regulation Commission. Pursuant to RA 6506, Section 23, define the term criminologist as one who has been engaged in the practice of criminology. If he holds himself out of the public in any of the capacity as a professor, instructor, or teacher in criminology in any university, college, or school duly recognized by the government. Pursuant also to RA 6506, Section 24, all certified criminologists shall be exempted from any entrance from qualifying government examinations and shall be considered civil service eligible for the following positions: A. Fingerprint technician. B. Firearm examiner. C. Question document examiner. D. Correctional officer. E. Probation officer. F. Crime laboratory technician. G. Law enforcement photographer. H. Lie detection examiner. I. Agent in any law enforcement agency. J. Security officer. K. Criminal investigator. Under the Civil Service Commission Resolution number 98 3022, criminologist eligibility would apply for an appointment from the PNC or rank of PO1 up to the Police Commission Officer, PCO, with the rank of Police Superintendent. Republic Act 6975, Section 33 provides that licensed criminologists may be appointed to the initial rank of police inspector if there are vacancies. 11 General Orders. Number 1. To take charge of this post and all company's properties in view, and to protect or preserve the name with the utmost diligence. Number 2. To work during tour of duty in military manner, keeping always on the alert and observing everything that take place within sight or hearing. Number 3. To report all violations of orders I am instructed to enforce. Number 4. To report all calls from posts more distant from the guardhouse where I am stationed. Number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. Number 6. To receive, obey, and pass out to the relieving guards all orders from company officers or officials, superior post in charge, or shift leaders. Number 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. Number 8. To sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. Number 9. To call the superior officer in any case not covered by instruction. Number 10. To salute all company officials, superiors in the agency, ranking public officials, and commission officer of the AFP, and officers of the PNP. Number 11. To be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging, to challenge all persons on or near my post, and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority, and to eat my meal before rendering my duty. Uh, Law Enforcement Code of Ethics. Being entrusted with the duties of law enforcement, my fundamental duty is to serve mankind, to safeguard lives and properties, to protect the innocents against deception, and to respect all the constitutional rights, the peaceful against violence and disorder, and to respect all the constitutional rights of all men to liberty, equality, and justice. I will keep my private life unsullied as an example to all. Maintain courageous calm in the face of danger, scorn or ridicule, develop self-restraint, and be constantly mindful in the welfare of others. Honest in thought or deeds in both my personal and official life. I will be exemplary in obeying the laws of the Republic of the Philippines. Uh, Whatever I see or hear of a confidential in nature will be kept ever secret unless revelation is necessary in the performance of my duty. I will never act officiously or permit personal feelings, prejudices, and animosities, or friendship to influence my decision. With no compromise for crime and with relentless prosecution for criminals, I will enforce the law courteously and appropriately without fear or favor, malice or ill will, never accepting gratuities in return. I recognize the badge of my office as a symbol of public faith and accept it as a public trust. I shall wear it with fidelity and integrity, for it is mine to possess only while I fulfill this solemn obligation. Police Officer's Creed. I believe in God, the Supreme Being, the Great Provider, and Creator of all men and everything dear to me. In return, I can do no less than love Him above all. Seek His guidance in the performance of my sworn duties, and honor Him at all times. I believe that respect for authority is a duty. I respect and uphold the Constitution, the laws of the land, and applicable rules and regulations. I recognize the legitimacy and authority of leadership, and follow and obey legal orders of my superior officer. I believe in selfless love and service to people. Toward this end, I commit myself in service of my fellow men over and above my personal convenience. I believe in the sanctity of marriage and the respect for women. I shall set an example of decency and morality, and shall have high regard for family and chastity. I believe the responsible dominion and stewardship over material things. I shall withhold myself from ostentatious display of my profit. I shall protect and conserve nature to maintain ecological balance, and shall respect private and public properties and prevent others from destroying it. I believe in the wisdom of truthfulness and must be trustworthy, and shall speak the truth at all times, as required by my profession. Ten Commandments of God. I am the Lord your God. Number 1, I am the Lord your God. You shall have no other gods before me. Number 2, thou shalt not use the name of the Lord in vain. Number 3, remember to keep holy the Sabbath day or Lord's day. Number 4, honor your father and your mother. Number 5, thou shalt not kill. Number 6, thou shalt not commit adultery. Number 7, thou shalt not steal. Number 8, thou shalt not bear false witness against your neighbor. Number 9, thou shalt not covet your neighbor's wife. Number 10, thou shalt not covet your neighbor's goods. The Lord's Prayer. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Vision, mission of the Philippine National Police. Mission. The PNP shall enforce the law, prevent and control crimes, maintain peace and order, and ensure public safety and internal security with the active support of the community. Vision. Imploring the aid of the Almighty, by 2030, we shall be a highly capable, effective, and credible police to live, work, and do business. Vision, mission of the Bureau of Fire Protection. Vision. To protect and suppress destructive fires, investigate its causes, provide emergency medical and rescue services. Mission. I confident and enforce fire-related laws with the active involvement of the community. Vision. A modern fire protection agency working towards a safe and progressive society. Vision, mission of the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. Vision. To provide human safekeeping and developmental opportunities for persons deprived of liberty. In the promotion of public safety. Vision. By 2040, a world-class agency highly capable of providing humane safekeeping and developmental opportunities for persons deprived of liberty. Core values, core competencies, core competence, makatao, respect for humanity, may integridad, with integrity, matatag, resiliency, core competence, continuous skill enhancement of personnel, ability to establish linkages and partnerships, responsive planning, timely decision making, expedient implementation. Laws, Republic Act, Presidential Decrees, and Batas Pambansa. PD number 1185. Fire Code of the Philippines. PD number 704. Revising and consolidating all laws and decrees affecting fishes and fisheries. PD number 532. Anti-piracy and anti-highway robbery law of 1974. PD number 533. Anti-Cattle Rusting Law of 1974. PD number 449, Cockfighting Law of 1974. PD number 968, Probation Law of 1976. PD number 1612, Anti-Fencing Law. PD number 1602, prescribing stiffer penalties on illegal gambling. PD number legal gambling. PD number 603, the Child and the Youth Welfare Code. RA number 514, Code of the Philippines of 2008. RA number 7636, Anti-Subversion Law Amendments. RA number 6981, Witness Protection, Security and Benefit Act. RA number 832, Anti-Electricity and Electric Transmission Lines or Material Perforage Act of 1994. RA number 3553, an act to provide the positions of deadly arrow. RA number 9165, Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002. RA number 6425, the Dangerous Drugs Act of 1972. RA number 7877, Anti-Sexual Harassment Act of 1995. RA number 8505, Rape Victim Assistance and Protection Act of 1998. RA number 1700, Anti-Subversion Law. RA number 7659, an act to impose the death penalty on certain heinous crimes. RA number 9344, Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006. RA number 44136, Land Transportation of Traffic Code. RA number 7080, an act defining and penalizing the crime of plunder. Special protection. RA numbers 6100, Special Protection against women and children, sexual abuse. RA number 9299, an act converting Central Visayas Polytechnic College into a state university to be known as Negros Oriental State University. RA number 9160, Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2001. RA number 6968, an act punishing the crime of Codita. RA number 7438, an act defining certain rights of person arrested, detained, or under custodial investigation. RA number 3019, Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act. RA number 6235, Anti-Hijacking Law Act, prohibiting acts inimical to civil aviation. RA number 8049, anti-aging law. RA number 8177, an act designating death by lethal injection as the method of carrying out capital punishment. RA number 8353, the anti-rape law of 1997. RA number 6506, an act creating the Board of Examiners for Criminologists. RA number 131, an act creating the practice of examination in the Philippines and appropriating funds, therefore repealing for the purpose Republic Act number 6506, otherwise known as an act creating the Board of Examiners for Criminologists in the Philippines. Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.